Hi everyone. Today is my first day working at the supermarket. I'm a bit nervous but excited. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so I need to stock fruits and put on price tags. This list shows the product codes. Organic strawberries. Code 94316.
Sophie! Hey! Need help? I finished my section super fast.
Oh, thanks, Emma. But maybe we should check the codes first? I want to make sure the labels match.
No worries. I got this. Labels, boxes, done. Easy.
Wait, Emma. I think you mixed up the labels. This organic strawberry has a regular price tag.
Oh no! I just bumped the signs. The organic and regular signs fell down.
Oh no. Now I can't tell which is which. The apples and oranges are mixed up too.
Excuse me. This says regular, but it looks organic. Is the price right?
I'm not sure. The labels and signs are messed up. I'm really sorry.
They all look the same. I'll just pay the lower price then.
Yeah, probably fine. Strawberries are strawberries, right?
Emma, no. There's a price difference. Organic costs more. But I don't know how to explain which is which.
Whoa, hold on. Big mix-up here. Let me help. Look, Sophie, for organic produce, check the PLU code sticker on the fruit itself. It usually starts with a 9. PLU code? What does that mean? PLU means product lookup code. It's a number on the sticker. If it starts with 9, it's organic. Also, the box might say organic on the packaging, and the price difference matters. Organic costs more to grow. Let's fix the labels and signs first. Match the product code on the list to the item.
Oh, I see. So I checked the PLU code and the packaging. That makes sense now. Thank you, Lucas.
Okay, let's relabel these together. This box says organic strawberries. PLU starts with 9. Put the organic price tag here.
Got it. And these regular strawberries get the lower price tag. I'll put the signs back too.
Oh, thank you. Now I can see the difference. I'll take the organic ones.
Emma, maybe you could help organize the canned goods aisle? It's a good area to practice.
Yeah, okay. Sorry about the mess. I'll be more careful.
Okay, lesson learned. Always double check the product codes. PLU codes are important. Now, time for my next task.
Sophie, can you assist at self-checkout? It's getting busy. We need extra help.
Self-checkout? Okay, I'm on my way. I hope I can handle it.
Excuse me, this scanner is not working. It won't scan my items.
Oh no. Let me try. Maybe I should press the help button? I pressed it, but no one is coming yet. The back office is too busy. I'm sorry. Please wait a moment.
It's not working. I'm in a hurry. Can someone please help?
I heard you need help. Don't worry, I got this.
My screen is flashing. Does that mean something?
Oh, that must be the help button. I'll fix it right now. Fixed it. See? Easy.
Cancel? No, I scanned all my groceries. Now I have to do it again?
Emma, that was the cancel button, not help. Oh no, now the whole transaction is gone.
Okay, deep breaths, everyone. Let's fix this step by step. Sir, I'll restart this scanner for you. Sometimes it just needs a reset. One moment, please. Sophie, show the customer where the large, reusable bags are. They're sturdier for heavy items. Really sorry about that, ma'am. I'll help you rescan quickly.
Yes, here are the reusable bags. They're strong and good for groceries.
The machine sometimes needs items placed evenly in the bagging area. Sophie, see this alert? It's a bagging area alert. It means the machine is checking if items are placed correctly. Not an error.
Oh, so the flashing screen wasn't asking for help. It was just checking the bagging area. I understand now.
There you go. All scanned. You can pay at the payment terminal now. Cash or card both work.
Thank you so much. I was worried I'd have to leave without my groceries.
Emma, maybe you could help direct people to the open registers? That would be really helpful.
Yeah, okay. I think I should stay away from the buttons. Sorry, everyone.
Here, let me help you bag these. Heavy items at the bottom, light items on top.
Thank you, dear. You're doing a great job for your first day.
Thank you. I'm still learning, but everyone here is very helpful.
All done. Thanks for fixing the scanner. Have a good day.
Wow, what a morning. So many new words. PLU codes, self-checkout machines, bagging area, cancel button, transaction. I made mistakes, but I learned a lot. Lucas helped me understand everything. Emma as well. She tried her best.
Sophie, I'm really sorry about today. I thought I was helping, but I made things worse.
It's okay, Emma. You had good intentions. We just need to slow down and double-check things first.
Everyone makes mistakes on their first day. The important thing is learning from them.
Sophie, Lucas, Emma, I saw your morning shift.
Manager, I'm sorry. I know I made some big mistakes today.
Emma, your energy is great. But remember, accuracy first, then speed. Slow down a little, and you'll do fine.
Yes, manager. I understand. I'll be more careful next time.
Lucas, thank you for being such a patient and helpful colleague. You handled those situations very well.
Thanks, manager. Just doing my job.
And Sophie, I'm impressed. You stayed calm under pressure. You learned fast. You fixed mistakes. And you cared about doing things right. That's exactly what we need. Well done on your first day.
Thank you so much, manager. That means a lot. I was worried I messed everything up.
Everyone has a learning curve. You did great. See you tomorrow, team.
So, my first shift at the supermarket. It was busy, it was chaotic, and yes, there were some big mix-ups. But I learned so much. PLU codes help identify organic produce. Self-checkout machines have different buttons for different things, and always double-check before you act.
Next time, I'll ask before I press any buttons.
And if you're not sure, just ask. That's what colleagues are for.
Lesson learned. Making mistakes is part of learning. Stay calm, be accurate, ask for help, and work together. That's how we grow.